If you're looking for a pet dryer, look no further. This is a great find, and let me explain to you why. A lot of times when we're actually cleaning our pets, a lot of times they try running around, but this is actually very powerful and it gets them dried in no time. Over here we have the speed of the fan. Here we have the off, we have the fan on, and this is with heat. Before I turn it on, let me just show you where the filter is. It's very easy to clean. It's right here. There's a lock and unlock. Just turn it, and right here's the filter. Give this a little clean, dust it off, and you're good as new. Let me just put it back on. You just do the reverse. You look for the lock right there. Second. Put it back on. You just lock it into place, and you're done. It also comes with 3 little different heads, whatever your desire is, you could use. I prefer this one actually. I put it on like that, twist, and it's locked into place. It actually comes with a nice grip. You grip onto it, and it's very comfortable. Before I turn it on, I just want to show you that there's a little piece down here, which you could open up, and it grips onto the floor very nicely. It also comes with screws where you can mount it to the wall and you can keep it in your bathroom or wherever you wash your dog. So now it's gripped on the floor nicely. I'm going to simply just turn it on and I'll show you the different powers, and the top one is just heat as well if your dog likes a bit of heat blown on them. So here we go. Overall, if you're looking for a pet dryer, this is a 10 out of 10, and it's a great find.